Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus smartphone, and in today's video we will demonstrate how you can extend the random access memory, therefore RAM, on this device. So first of all, you want to open up the settings app. In here, scroll almost all the way down and go for the additional settings category. In here you want to go for the memory extension section, so let me quickly enter the PIN code for my SIM card. So in here, go for the memory extension, and all that it's left to do in order for the memory to be extended by 2 GB, as you can see right here, is to turn on this toggle and reboot the device. And after your device gets restarted, that will ultimately mean that you have successfully extended the random access memory amount by 2 GB. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.